Ohm's law is used to calculate the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance in an electrical circuit. Make R the subject. R times I equals V, so working in reverse, V divided by I equals R. The area of a circle is linked to the radius. Make R the subject. R squared times pi equals the area, so working in reverse, we divide A by pi and we take the square root. Changing the subject of an equation means isolating a different variable. We use the methods first introduced when solving equations. For example, if we want to make x the subject of the formula y equals 6x minus 2, imagine that instead of y, we had 10. How would you solve for x? You would add 2 and divide by 6. So you do the same if you have y instead of 10. You are going to treat y as a constant and make x the subject. If you take physics, you may have seen this formula. Make s and make u the subject. Moving u squared to the left and dividing by 2a leaves s by itself. Subtracting 2as and taking the square root leaves u by itself. I have kept this video short, but the free course features the expanded walkthroughs for every topic. You will get the full-length explanations, multiple worked examples, and PDF practice sheets to help your students really nail the process. Head to the link in my bio to get access.